My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the website localdatadefense.com. It's a website that displays faulty messages that mention a lot of scary statements about the condition of your computer. The website localdatadefense.com claims to be related to some Russian security software, but it is not related to that security software. And in fact, we strongly advise you not to use any Russian software in the light of the latest events taking place in Ukraine. But these pop-ups by localdatadefense.com also display a lot of scary messages that try to encourage people into downloading some potentially unwanted programs. The website indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses and that you need to click on Proceed button to secure your computer. But clicking on this button may simply forward you to some other questionable sites that may even infect your system even more. So please do not ever interact with those fake alerts. They are the example of the typical online scam, which you should never trust. If you have mistakenly downloaded or installed anything like that, you should carefully research the control panel of your computer. Look for any suspicious programs that you might find here on the list and get rid of them. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and then start researching your system to detect and delete other threats which could be possibly concealed on your device. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.